Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I would be going to discuss about section formula and midpoint formula. Both are related to each other. Derivation and illustration I will cover in this video. Get started. Section formula, the coordinate plane, horizontal axis x and x dash, vertical axis y dash. Here AE, PD and BC parallel to y-axis, AE parallel to PD and BC. Join A to B. So here two triangle AFB and triangle BGP. A is the coordinate x1, y1. B is the coordinate x2, y2. P is the point on AB. P divide AB the line, the ratio M1, M2. Here section formula, here find the value of x and y. So AB is the line, P is the point on AB. AB is to PB is equal to M1 is to M2. PD parallel to BC. PD parallel to BC. AB is the transverse. Now angle APF is equal to angle PBG. These two angles corresponding interior angles equal. Angle F and angle G is 90 degree. Now consider triangle AFB and PGB. Both are similar triangles. Angle similarity criterion. Now ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. AP upon PB is equal to AF upon PG is equal to PF upon BG. Order of the letters. AP upon PB is given M1 upon M2 is equal to AF. AF is the line AF is parallel to x-axis. Then AF is equal to x minus x1. D is equal to x. So x minus x1 is AF. PG is equal to x2 minus x. That is equal to PF. PF is equal to y minus y1. Y minus y1. This is a parallel to y-axis, so y minus y1. Then BG, y2 minus y, parallel to y-axis. Then take M1 upon M2 is equal to first part x minus x1, s2 minus x. Cross multiplication, M1 s2 minus x is equal to right hand side, M2 into x minus x1. Opening the bracket, M1 x2 minus M1 x is equal to M2 x minus M2 x1. Then x transpose M1 s2, then transpose M2 x1, then M1 x transpose to right hand side, x time is right hand side, and s2 x1 time is left hand side. From here, right hand side x is the common. After M1 plus M2, the divide. Left hand side M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. Here right hand side M2x plus M1x, x is common, then bracket M1 plus M2 divide. Similarly, can prove y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. This is the section formula. Section formula is the coordinate x and y divided in the ratio M1 and M2. Midpoint formula, if P is midpoint, M1 is to M2 is equal to 1 is to 1. M1 is equal to 1, M2 is equal to 1. Here M1 plus M2, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 into y2, y2 only, 1 into y1, y1 only. 1 into s2, x2 only, 1 into x1, x1 only, 2. So if P is the midpoint, the midpoint formula x and y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. This is a mid-section formula. All the number, but midpoint formula is equal to x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Then illustration, exercise 7.2, first question, find the coordinates of point which divides the line -1, 7 and 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. M1 2, M2 3, x1 minus 1, s2 4, y1 7, y2 minus 3. Put here. X is equal to 2 into 4, 3 into -1 by 2 plus y 5. Here 5 by 5, 1. Then y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Put the values, y is equal to 3. The coordinate is 1, 3. Then midpoint formula, if the points A 6, 1, B 8, 2, C 9, 4 and D P, 3 are the vertices of parallelogram. Take in order, find the values of P. So first and third, last BD is the diagonal and AC also a diagonal. B 8, 2 and D P, 3. AC is the diagonal. A 6, 1 and D C 9, 4. Midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of AC. Here P is X value, so can take only X value. Or can avoid Y values. 8 plus P upon 2 is equal to AC midpoint 6 plus 9 by 2. So 2 cancel, 15 minus 8, 7. So here over section formula and midpoint formula illustration also over here. Thank you for watching.